I'm in charge of your father's case here. Your father can't remember his past prior to this event. We have noticed that he reacts to cues about his family.
Wait, so I got called in to play doctor for him?
Just take him to a safe environment where there are objects, cues, triggers that are emotionally familiar to him. And in that place with you and Lily, it could just be enough to trigger his memory.
Usually, you would sit inside, and I would throw rocks at the window. My part is to run away. Your part is to try and catch me. Well, in fact, you're it.
Grandpa, what's between you and Dad?
I think I've done something to him. It's something we need to work out.
Let's go. I feel like we buried a lot of things that summer with that dog.
He has a strong emotional connection to you and your daughter.
No, you don't understand. We're not that kind of family, like.
Pops, what I want to understand is why isn't she here? But you are. Get off this stupid island.
No, I don't go anywhere!
I didn't ask for your opinion. Come on.
You wait right here!
Wait,
Don't do what I did to you! Run! Yes!
He put everything that I cared about down there.
Are you scared?
Now you want to come and play Pops?
Yes!
You want out of my life? Now you want to come back?
Yes!
Don't fight!
The only picture in the wallet was this one, and it took us a while to figure it out. It's you and your daughter. Most people would kill for the chance to have a fresh beginning with their parents. And from the sound of it, you guys could use one.
So, I'm sorry. Do I get a vote?
He's your father.
He's not much of a father.